this chart in the pattern of, we call it like a Renko chart, right? So this is how it looks like. So we'll have the analysis for the 25th of May, that is tomorrow. That will be a Tuesday of the second day of the weekend, right? So what the Nifty is going to do? So if you look at this kind of trend, so I have written here very clearly that this week the 14,950 will be seen on the screen. That is what I am able to see by looking at the chart of this Nifty. So we'll try to figure it out. How does it work, right? What was the behavior of like what is the Nifty today? Just a minute, I'm gonna say you. So this was how the Nifty has traded. We'll see in the very short frame of time. We'll look at this in the five 5 minutes of time frame. So I had already trained what is called drawn this during my trading hour during the day's time only. So I was expecting, I had already carried the position. I booked the one's profit over here, but I didn't really take any position for this sharp fall. But I was expecting another fall. That I was sure that market is trying to make a kind of sideways, but there is going to make a violent move either of the sides, and that happened eventually here, right? Eventually here. So this was the zone where the market was trying to take hold on this, right? So I was sure when it didn't really break the trend line here, so I had the position here and I booked it here partially. And I had also said here during the market hour that there is going to be a very sharp rise and the fall both the sides, right? Exactly, that is what I did and booked my photo here. But I didn't really take any position this side. But again, look at here. What if it has to rally? The either rally, I have not said the volatility, right? Both the sides. So how to identify that what will be the market behaviors tomorrow? Let me tell you what is the best, what is the fact that we are going to see market tomorrow red. Why? For the yesterday, what we had, and that means previous day, what we had, the rally of the Nifty or both the bank Nifty would have fantastic rally from here, right? It started rally from here and it went out quite a long here, right? If you see, this rally continued, right? And today also opened up gap up, remember, but gap up didn't really sustain, right? It fell sharp, rise up, consolidated, right? Then again trapped, rise up, then again fell. So what is this actually saying about? For me, I am able to see the market in the daily chart. We should be able to understand why I'm saying that tomorrow market will be a red. That means tomorrow there can be a very sharp fall. The first thing is, look at it, that we had the all-time high is, it is here 40,400, 15,431. It fell, and that means it gave a correction, again rise up, again it made very sharp, like up move, and it tried to touch to the high of the previous one. That means this candle, but didn't. After this, the second top candle is this. That means after opening gap up, this market didn't really sustain, right? But it made little lower than this candle. Exactly, now what is, we are remaining, this candle is about to touch the high of this candle, that is the 15,336, and the market is trying to be very confusing here. That means trying to fall down below, but it is also the buyers who are taking a little bit up in order to trap the buyers. Now for me, tomorrow market is likely to open little gap up, but that is not going to sustain, or flat opening. If flat opens, then there will be sharp selling. That is what I am able to see. Or sometime the closing is here like 15,197. So tomorrow I'm little I would say it, I am able to see the market to go up a little bit. That will be around this, right? This can be a zone 15,300, but I am not able to, I would not say that market will sustain above 15,310. It will not, I am as sure as that. And from there could be very sharp selling, and remember that sharp selling might reach to even this big candle. So we'll wait for that. That is what the analysis and screen is saying about, right? I showed you in the small time frame as well, in the 5 minute chart also I showed you, and let us see in the 15 minutes of chart, right? So look at, so this kind of candle is a very sharp selling has taken place. So tomorrow I'm able to see the market as a bearish, so my views will be for tomorrow will be bearish, right? Now what about the bank nifty? Bank nifty, let us see in the daily candle. Remember, so this is the candle of daily. So bank nifty looks little stronger than nifty here. Why? But I don't think that bank nifty is going to sustain on the top without the alpha of nifty, right? Although bank nifty will try to reach to this level tomorrow, that is the 35,650, right? This will be a zone where you can go short in the bank nifty as well, because this will be the zone. So tomorrow, even if you're opening gap up, we might go to just a minute. This is not this one, level should be 35, right? This should be the level. Just a minute. Okay, so 35,600, and this is the zone for tomorrow on the upper side, which I am able to see 35,600, and this will be the zone around where we can go and reach up to there, and from there we can go short. That is what I am able to see in the bank nifty, right? So bank nifty might come tomorrow to touch even 34,250 will be a zone for me. That is what I am saying. But remember, tomorrow there will be a sharp shelling that looks pretty quiet for me, right? So this is the nifty and bank nifty. So very little view for that for tomorrow, the market how it opens up, and we'll see to it, right? So accordingly we'll behave and we'll see the market ahead. So during the market hour I will update you as well how it looks like, right? So this one we need to understand, the market hour is the best hour that I can give you the updates, right? But still it's a very intact on the upper side, but let us wait for any of the red movement, right? So from there this will fall very sharply. So that is the analysis for the nifty and bank nifty of tomorrow, and let us see, and the tomorrow during the market hour I'll also update you, right? So please do subscribe my channel and let me know if you have anything. You can WhatsApp me, or you can join the Telegram. That is one of the ways, right? So thank you so very much. If you like the videos and if you find it is worth for you, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.